One gentle morning, soft sunlight spread across the sky while a tiny fluffy creature floated between the clouds. His name was Puffu, and he was as soft as cotton, drifting through the air like a little balloon. One day, when the sunlight touched tiny drops of water, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky, and Puffu watched it with excitement. Suddenly, he sneezed, achoo, and floated even higher. Down below, the village children laughed and said, "Look, the fluffy flying ball!" However, an old wise turtle near the forest warned Puffu not to be too playful. Soon Puffu sneezed again and was blown far away, where he became lost and worried. Then he saw a group of tiny ants working together. They kindly helped him by tying a small leaf rope so he would not float away again, and guided him back to the village. Puffu thanked them and told the wise turtle that he had finally understood the lesson. From that day on, he remembered that wisdom and teamwork can always help in difficult moments.